What's going on, guys? It's your artist, your favorite artist, On The Loose, the artist. I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't been as consistent as I would like to on YouTube, but it's 2026 and it's time to get back full force in action. If you guys been following me for a while, all you guys that have been supporting, subscribe to me, I truly appreciate it. Even if you popped up on a mural, I appreciate all the support that you guys been showing me. I know some of y'all been wondering, like, where the heck are you? Where have you been at, On The Loose? And I've been working more than ever. I've been putting out content. I've been creating murals. I've been doing all types of crazy stuff. I met Shaquille O'Neal. That was like my guy growing up. So it's been really insane these last 5 years. The thing is, YouTube changed. The way that you put out content changed. A lot of things changed. I had so many subscribers and we were doing so great. Then they hit the notification bell and then this happened and that happened. And so I just kind of got discouraged and fell off the platform. When you're a YouTube artist or just an artist in general and you want to put out content, it takes 3 times longer than creating average art. You have to shoot. You have to make sure the camera's at the right angle. You have to make sure to get the right batteries. You have to make sure that you have the sound levels right, the microphone's working, and then you still have to paint. You have to edit the video, chop it up. So there's a lot that goes into creating a video and creating the art. Any wrong thing, and then your whole vibe could be messed up, and the art piece just isn't gonna look how you want it to look. So at that point, I had to make a decision. Am I gonna focus on this algorithm, or am I gonna focus on my new projects, the real world, family, God? But I'm making sure to set 2026 off differently. As an artist, I had to get myself organized, which could be crazy because I got a lot of stuff going on in my brain. But I wanted to start where I create all of my content when I'm not painting a mural, and that's my desk. This is where I'm at now. And I'll be putting a video out of the whole process on how I created this whole thing. I made sure to take January off to solely focus on this place right here to give you guys more content. But I came back because I realized something. Y'all wanted reality. Y'all wanted the process, and y'all wanted the story behind it. I recorded everything within the last 5 years, and I mean everything. I just haven't put it out on YouTube, and we're gonna be doing that now. I'll be dropping educational videos, how I sketch, how I paint, how I make money as a full-time artist, focusing on more art, Throwback Thursdays, and I even got a 3D printer. And I also want to welcome you out to the F.A.M, fashion, art, and music. That's my brand. That's what I'm wearing right here. And it's not just a brand, it's a way of life. It's a culture. This is what's in my DNA, and this is how I live. This hat is fire, it's fuego, and as you see, we outside because we really outside.
On the loose, you know what it is.
On the loose, what's up, baby? Listen, you did a great job, bro. Yeah, you see it.
We got top 5 right here. Now let's go. The gorilla, Throwback gorilla, and the goat. Yeah. Yo, beautiful woman, man.
So do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and comment right now. Welcome back, On The Loose, because I'm here. We're here, and we're about to tear up 2026. Much love from your favorite artist, On The Loose, the artist. God bless, and see you soon.